Hey guys, I'm making an update video. Just wanted to show I got a new laptop. It's Gateway. I don't know. So there's really to say about it. And I changed my room a bit. Now my Wii U up here. A lot of games and chargers and stuff. That's my new bed. Futon. Couch. Because I'm lazy. And that's about it. We also got this new laser thing. Let's see if I can go mess with some cats. So here's Steve. He likes the laser. He chases it sometimes. He's about the only one that plays with it at all. And doesn't even play with it that much. None of the other cats really do anything with it. Yeah, he's done. That's pretty much all he does. Chase it for like 5 seconds and then stop. So yeah, that's it.